Okay, let's get started. So, hi everyone, and today I'm gonna be your teacher on Appsheet course. So, I don't know, guys, if you knew before about Appsheet, probably because you took this course. It's one of the most famous no-code programs, and it was made by Google on 2019, and it's one like it's a really powerful tool. You can how to say that? You can even start a business out of it because it's like it regroup a lot of functionalities. I can even compare it to IBM. In our first lesson, we're gonna first check how we can not subscribe, but just like log into Appsheet, how we can get started, which programs we need, if we need any powerful laptops or just fine to start with any. So in this case with Appsheet, since it's a web-based solution, you can use it technically with any laptop. You can even use your phone. I wouldn't recommend that because it's kind of hard to work on the phone, but you can use a MacBook, Chromebook, or any other device, Linux, etc. Let's get started. So first I'm gonna open Chrome in my MacBook, okay? So let's go to Chrome, and as you see, I already typed Appsheet here. So if you see the definition here, Appsheet is an application that provides a no-code development platform for application software, which allow users to create mobile, tablet, and web application. Yeah, okay, I didn't told you that, but when you create an application using Appsheet, you have already the web version that you can access from any desktop, Mac or Windows or anything else, and you have also the mobile app provided. So you just need to download the Appsheet app on your device. So for example, on your iPhone or Android, and then you just need to register with your account and you can access your mobile app. So let's see this. So now we are gonna first go with the web-based app. So we click on the first link that appears.